Let's replace the battery on your Dyson V7. It's quick and easy to do at home. You'll see 3 screws holding the battery in place. Let's start removing them one by one. Just take your time and unscrew them gently, no need to rush. The screws come out really easily, so no extra force is needed. Perfect! All 3 screws are removed. Now we can take out the old battery. Now here's the star, our brand new BeCleanLife 6500 mAh high-capacity battery. It's specially designed for Dyson V7, fits perfectly, and gives you much longer cleaning time than the original. Slide the new battery firmly into place and make sure it's seated correctly. Now let's put the 3 screws back and tighten them up nice and secure. Again, go slow and steady, no need to over-tighten. Once everything is secure, reattach the dustbin. Turn on your vacuum and enjoy longer runtime with your new high-capacity battery.